Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today we are hopefully installing the transmission cooler. So, you've seen in my last video where I installed the new transmission. I ran lines, you can kind of see them right there. And next thing you know, we got a transmission cooler we need to install. So, I ordered new parts, and I got them in. It's kind of like a box of dicks. Parts. I don't know what's better, a box of dicks or a bag of dicks. Anyway, this is what it is. Went with Derale, and it actually came with AN fittings and everything. Kind of like how they did this. They strap them to the side right here, so they know you don't lose them. It's kind of cool. I did take some of the packaging out already. It came very well packaged. So, let's go ahead and open this up. Head comes with fan, instructions. Like I said, AN fittings. Alright. The idea is to put this somewhere under here. It should fit. So I'm going to go ahead and work on trying to get this mounted, and I'll show you that process, and hopefully I can get that all hooked up. That way you guys can see it. Alright. So now I need to make a template of this so we can figure out how to make a bracket to kind of hold down there. So I'm going to cut this out, kind of bring it up underneath, kind of have an idea where I need to go, and then make some lines underneath and go from there. But yeah. Template. Not supposed to look pretty. Now I need to figure out a bracket to go underneath. I was told use aluminum and bend it. Okay, based on the spacing, this is what we're going to look like. This is going to have to tear over like this. Then mount up to the bracket underneath, so it'll look like this underneath. Now I need to get some aluminum. I've already dry fitted this with this to make sure the height's correct. This is the same width as well. And yeah, it should go pretty nicely underneath there. Now what you have to do is get some aluminum, bend it to the shape, and put it underneath the car. Then wire the car. All right. Now that I have the actual cooler mounted in here, I kind of wanted to show it to you. So here it is, nice and mounted, sturdy. The two brackets, kind of see right there. Another one over here and here. It's bolted to the body. I did have to actually take this fan out to get it all positioned in there and nice. Now what we're looking at is these lines right here. And I have a 120 degree fitting here and then a 90 degree fitting here. So what's gonna kind of look like is it's gonna kind of, I'm gonna cut it off right out here. And then this one, I'll cut off right about there. Where are my thumbs at? So, in order to get this done correctly, I have to mark these. I'll put tape on them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them out, all the way out. That way, when I do cut it, I can clean them out, and then I'll have to reinstall after I put the fittings on them. So, just so you guys have an idea, you don't want to just cut them and then try to fit them back in here without cleaning them out. Otherwise, all those little bits and pieces that go in here will end up in your lines. So it's extra work. I'll have to cut all these zip lines and stuff and put proper mounts and all this stuff, but it's part of doing things right. It takes time. Oh, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to route this through here somewhere, not underneath, but through behind the radiator, and then I'll get a relay, and then I'll hook it up to an accessory, so it'll just turn on whenever the car gets turned on. There's no need to put a temp on it. I just want it to run all the time, so it's cool. So that's what the plan is. I'll kind of walk you through this, but you've seen me cut lines before and put fittings on them, so I'll just show you the before and after. So I'll get some tape and then cut these. All right, that's the plan. Got my lines done. They're ready to go back underneath the car. I just gotta remember which one's which. Okay, let's go back under there. Okay, now I gotta get my wrench in there to tighten it back up. Okay, I have the lines all ran through here. Then it clamps to the block in 2 different locations. And then clamps here. And I have it hooked up straight to the unit. Now I just got to give it power. Alright, I can actually put this thing on the ground now. Alright, we got the transmission cooler installed, we have the lines ran, I have it mounted up to the block, they're not going to come down. This is a really good start. The only things we have to do now are get fluid in it. We got to get our detent cable installed and set correctly for the transmission, and get our little arm bracket for the throttle cable and everything installed. So that'll be next episode. This video is already running long, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up on all that stuff next week. The car is currently at home right now, and the car did drive under its own power. There's a lot more things I have to do before I can go do some burnouts. So you'll start seeing those videos here come soon. So there's a lot more to come. Please watch my videos. If you do like the video, please like it, subscribe, and until next time, thank you. Bye.